It's your girl BC Starks, and I'm back with a new video for you after being away for quite some time now. But we won't get into that right now. I know that you thought that you clicked on this little thumbnail to watch your traditional Zara haul. And don't get me wrong, I do intend to serve these looks, honey. But before I do, I just want to acknowledge a bit of reality and be authentic with you. These past several months have been hard for all of us. Like you, or many of you, I've had my own struggles, and I'm still going through them. In fact, every day is a struggle. But I've learned a few tools that have helped me get through, and I wanted to share them with you before we got into the fashion haul, and I hope that's okay with you. If it's not, I totally understand. There's tons of other people that you can watch, and I don't blame you. But if you just hear me out, maybe you can find a bit of wisdom, some advice, or some tips and tools that you can use yourself or even share with others. And I hope that I can help make a difference for you. For those of you that are new to my channel, I'm Brittany, aka BC Starks, and I'm your manifesting mentor. What exactly does that mean? It means that I'm here to help you discover the things that you already know really, but that you've probably forgotten about your own greatness and the power that you have within to manifest the dreams that you have inside. No matter where you are along your journey, I hope that you can find something here on my channel that can help spark some kind of creativity, inspiration, and help you get back on track, get back aligned to the version of yourself that you know you can be. So before we get started, I want to touch on a few things that we've learned since we've been in this pandemic. It's okay to slow down. You don't have to be everywhere. You don't have to be all things to all people. It's okay. Why? Because life goes on. We all learned that when we had to be stuck in our houses for months on end with nowhere to go. We didn't feel like we were missing out on anything because everybody else around the world was doing the same thing we were doing. We also learned that it was okay to take care of ourselves. It's okay to exercise, to eat well, to meditate, to have an at-home spa day if we wanted to. Because those are the things that make us feel good. Those are the things that replenish us. Those are the things that recharge our batteries. Because we're not machines, we're humans. And we feel, and we have emotions, and our bodies will break down if we don't listen to it. You should check on your strong friends. Reconnect with the people who you absolutely love and wouldn't want to see go away. Let them know you care. Call them just to say, hey, just thinking about you. Why? Because tomorrow isn't promised. Every single day that we live our lives, we take for granted that we'll have the next breath. But it's not guaranteed. And not everybody wakes up to see the next day. And I'm sorry to sound so gloomy and doomy, but that's what this pandemic has taught us. So many people's lives have been turned upside down. So many people have lost loved ones. We should definitely learn to love on those that are around us. Let them know we care. Show them how much we love them. Because tomorrow really isn't promised. And last but not least is the lessons that I've learned from the life of Chadwick Boseman. I'm devastated, just like many of you are. Many children around the world lost their hero. Chadwick has inspired me so much that I'm here right now in front of you making this video. He is the reason why I'm sitting here. I've done all of these edits, and mind you, sometimes I feel like I don't even know what I'm doing. But I'm doing it because the energy of his spirit just really made me feel like it doesn't matter. You don't have to know. Just do your best and push forward to live your purpose, because somebody needs to hear what you have to say. And so with that energy, with that inspiration, here we are. I'm ready to get into this fashion. So fashion is one of those things that always makes me feel good because I use fashion as a way to express myself. I use it as a way to express my individuality, my creativity, I like to play around with bold colors and patterns. Sometimes I like to be a plain Jane. No, I don't. I'm lying. But one of the things that I found cool about this haul is that I took some really basic pieces from my favorite store, Zara, and I was able to mix and match them and create really fun, sophisticated, expensive, but stylish looking looks. And I hope that you enjoyed them. I will be sure to add the description of different outfits below so you can check it out when you're done and shop if the items are still available. Without further ado, let's get into some of these looks, shall we?
You gotta love a naturalista, beautiful, black and exclusive, yeah, she the platinum visa. A black American express leader, head of Mother Nature and say mother knows best. A little olive oil, maybe grape seed. In the winter, protected styles and quick weave. Full of variety and class, but don't need any books. Medusa wardrobe, cause she can kill him with any look. And she don't do it for you fellas, don't lie to yourself. Working out for her health and her body and wealth. Uniquely individual, not what you see in magazines. Cause who would want a twin once they see that they can have a queen?
Bold, loud, articulate and cute. Kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need. Baby, you are a queen. You're black, love, and confident too. Kinda quintessential and you love being you. Baby, you are a queen. Everything that I need.
Queen Nefertari, Cleopatra, Nefertiti, beautiful brown baby daughter, sisters from Naturally Gigi. I salute you when I see thee, and all you pioneers, cause like the queens from Bar 1, you took the throne despite fears. I respect your strength and admire your perseverance, and showing the world that black women are more than their appearance. See, he made you royalty, and to show you he meant it, topped you off with a crown, and you wear it as he intended.
You're bold, loud, articulate and cute. Kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need. Baby, you are a queen. You're black, love, and confident too. Kinda quintessential and you love being you. Baby, you are a queen. Everything that I need.
I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the thumbs up to like, comment, and click subscribe. Until next time, ciao.
Yeah.